everybody, welcome back. It's Tash here. I am here today with my BoxyCharm Base Box for the month of February. So we will jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, thank you so very much for being part of this, joining me again and watching and supporting all of my videos. It really does make such a big difference to me, and I am so grateful. For those of you that are new, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup, unboxings, reviews, try-ons, all different kinds of things. I would love for you to join the family, so please click the subscribe button and become a part of this. Without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump into the BoxyCharm, again, base box for the month of February. My premium box is up right before this, so you can go ahead and watch that as well. I have to say, the premium box wasn't bad. I do have the Huda Beauty Mercury and Retrograde palette on my eyes right now. I did get that in my premium box, so super excited about that. But the base box was just a little bit different. And so let's jump into it and talk about it. Again, Be My Glamentine is the theme for this month. Of course, it is the month of February and the month of love. And when I looked in my box, I was just a little disappointed for the base box. The month of January, base and premium were awesome. I got quite a few makeup products, but for this base box, I did not. So let's jump into the first thing. This is the Coconut and Fig Hair Mask with coconut oil and muru butter. And this is from Style Dry. So Style Dry is the company. It says this super hair mask is enriched with coconut oil and muru butter for healthy, hydrated, and glossy hair. It's a must-have to mask and nourish your hair deeply and give you the ultimate treatment at home. Retail value is $16.95. This is a new brand to BoxyCharm. It does say how to use. You put it on 1 to 2 times a week, leave it on for 10 minutes, and in there the second or third ingredient is actually alcohol. It does have a type of silicone which does help with smoothing, but it has added fragrance in here, which I'm not the biggest fan of. Lactic acid, panthenol, it has olive oil, it has muru sea butter is literally almost the last ingredient. At any rate, that's the first product. Let's open it up and smell it. Oh, that was loud. Let's see if there is a seal, which I do appreciate. I'm not going to open this up then and smell it. I am going to go ahead and put it in my giveaway. When we hit 100, I'm at 79 right now, so 100 I will do another big giveaway. This will be one of the products in it. I have hair masks that I use and that I am pretty particular about, particularly since I do color my hair. I try and take really good care of it, and I'm super particular with what I put on my hair. So this will go into the giveaway. The next product that I have in here is by Aceology. I got a product from Aceology in both my premium as well as my base box. This is the Detoxifying Treatment Mask. It says that this treatment mask is a supercharged health retreat for congested skin, working to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogged pores and with skin-loving charcoal. The charcoal's antibacterial and purification powers are unrivaled with any other detoxifying ingredient when it comes to extracting sebum and dirt, and the antioxidant-laden botanicals balance and protect the skin for a poreless and flawless texture. The light is waxing and waning, I know, so I'm going to turn the light up just a little bit. Retail value for this is $69. That is one heck of a price tag for this. It says directions: you spread this evenly across your face, applying a thin layer, leave on for 6 minutes, and then gently peel off from the edges. It is cruelty-free and vegan, which I do appreciate. Second ingredient is alcohol, third ingredient is alcohol, then charcoal powder, and quite a few other ingredients in here. I certainly am not opposed to a mask, but I do prefer skincare, in my BoxyCharms or any kind of subscription box, and that's what I put on all of my quizzes. So second product I certainly will try, but we can't really try it on the tube right now. I am going to go ahead and open it up. I do love the packaging. It is one of those kind of very vintage metal style tubes with the top here that a lot of the hand creams come in. It is sealed as well. I am going to put a little bit out, and it's already coming out as soon as I open it, and it does have that black charcoal color, and I'm getting it all over the place. It smells very alcohol-y, more alcohol-y than I thought. So it is kind of a thick, almost a rubberized feeling mask that you do spread a thin layer and then you'll let it dry. Let's let that dry. I think I have it a little thinner than I should, but let's let it dry and then see if we can't peel that off. We'll see how hard it is once we get to the end. Hopefully I remember that. The next product I have is from Il Maschia, and so this is their Hydra Setting Spray. This Hydra Setting Spray is a lightweight mist that locks in makeup for a flawless, dewy finish. This non-sticky formula dries fast to set your makeup all day, infused with pea peptides rich in amino acids. Hydra Setting Spray will leave the skin feeling refreshed and moisturized. Retail value is $26. This again is vegan. It is cruelty free. They do have lots and lots of writing on here. It basically says to hold 20 to 25 centimeters away from the face, close eyes, and spray liberally. Avoid getting in contact with eyes. I hope we all know that. Let's see what it looks like, and we'll spray it on. It is a typical makeup setting spray bottle. It is all in black, and the writing is kind of like a cream color. It's not gold like the outside. Let's spray this and see. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh, that mister is super aggressive. So not a super fine mist. It does feel like it's leaving droplets on my face, so I definitely would take a beauty blender and kind of dab across the face, because it most assuredly will leave some splotches on there. But that is the next product, which is kind of a makeup product, but not really. The next product that I have is from Bali Balm. This is the Pineapple Lip Scrub. A rich, indulgent sugar scrub packed with juicy pineapple fragrance and exfoliating sugarcane to gently buff and polish away dead skin. This super hydrating coconut oil and an aromatic mix of cinnamon, orange, and vanilla essential oils will leave your lips soft and supple. $23. I will say with the cinnamon in it, it may cause a little bit of a plumping effect, because in some of those plumpers it does have that cinnamony to increase the circulation, but also keep in mind, if you're allergic to cinnamon or orange, or of course vanilla, but cinnamon and orange are more prevalent, do not use this. It does come in a cute little container like most lip scrubs. It is all in black and plastic. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and there is the lip scrub. Oh, it does smell like pineapple. I mean, it smells really, really good like pineapple. I'm going to pull out just a smidge of it and show it to you guys. So it is definitely that sugary texture of a scrub. I don't have anywhere to scrub it right now, but I will absolutely try that. I'm not opposed to a lip scrub. You know, it's a lip scrub. I can make my own lip scrub, but it's a lip scrub. So at any rate, that's my next product. Retail value $23. That is an awful lot for a lip scrub, in my opinion. Just putting that out there. And then the last product is the very blah, is the very popular, sorry I couldn't even get it out, Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops from Glow Recipe. So it says that this highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid visibly brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce pigmentation. The niacinamide infused serum is formulated without mica, glitter and pearls, creating a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. Retail value is $34. I am curious, it says free of mineral oils, sulfates, silicones, phthalates, drying alcohol. That's all really nice. How to use for a natural glow. As a priming step, apply 1 to 2 pumps. As the last step in your skincare routine before makeup. Or mix it with a foundation for a glowy finish. You can also use it as a brightening serum, and then for a maximum glow, on a no makeup day, apply 1 to 2 pumps as the last step of your skincare. When wearing makeup, evenly distribute formula on fingertips and gently pat on the high points of face and a tapping motion on top of makeup. Well, that's interesting. Let's open this up. So I know people have gone wild about this. It's been on TikTok. Lots of people are just in love with it. I have not tried it. I do like Glow Recipe. I'm not opposed to it, but I do think that it is definitely hyped. So here is that beautiful pink bottle. I do have to say, Glow Recipe has the best packaging ever. I think it is beautiful and often super cute. This is a beautiful pink pearl. Let's go ahead and pump some out on this hand that I don't have anything on. There's one pump right there. It is kind of a pink hued serum. I'm going to go ahead and rub this in. And it's definitely a seruminess. It smells like watermelon. It absolutely smells like a Jolly Rancher watermelon candy. And you can see where I put it on my hand, it definitely is much more shiny than the rest of my hand. So right here, I don't have any, then I kind of spread it right there. So it does leave a beautiful, beautiful shine underneath. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. Maybe it's not just overhyped. I absolutely will try it. I have to say, I am not super unhappy with this product. Of course, the setting spray is never a bad thing. The lip scrub and the mask are never a bad thing. But I literally didn't get one piece of makeup in my whole BoxyCharm, even though my quiz says I really don't want a whole lot of skincare in my BoxyCharm. So I have to say, I am a little disappointed in this month's base box. It has gone up in price, so we are closer to almost $30 for it, and I definitely think overall with the cost of the products, you do make that up, but if they're not products that you really want, is it worth it in the end? I mean, of these products, the only thing that I'm super excited about is honestly that Glow Recipe. I would not have bought it for myself, so it's cool that I got it. I will absolutely try it. I'm not the biggest fan of such, I almost said flavored, of such scented things on my face. But the other items I'm not super excited about. So a little disappointed, BoxyCharm, with this month. A little disappointed. I do have the variation 033BA. So that's my base box for the month of February. Not much that I can try on, so we did come on with a full face of makeup. Please let me know, what did you guys get in your BoxyCharm? I know they have tons and tons of variations. Did anybody get any makeup this month? Let me know, drop me a line. Thank you again so much for joining me today. I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, wait, one more thing. I did say I was going to try and peel this off. I do have to say, even though I really have been talking and talking, this is not really going to peel off very easily. The edge, oh, I lied. Okay, it does. It does. Oh, that was kind of satisfying. There you go. So that's the face mask.